Why do you want to be rich again?
Because so I can have a lot of money.
And what will you do with the money?
What will you do with the money?
Invest.
Where will you
And
invest?
Are you going to
Stock
help?
market.
Are you
Stock
going
market?
to help people?
Yes.
Sa 2 years na yun, kumusta? Savings natin? Napapasave ba tayo or puro YOLO yung
Wala,
nangyayari?
sir.
Talaga? Bakit? Bakit? Anong problem?
Kailan niyo po naisip mag-start ng mag-stock? How much po yung in-invest niyo nung at first?
Galing, thank you so much.
Salamat din.
Sobrang inspiring yung yung shinare ninyo kanina.
Ganun ba?
Especially sa amin na nagsisimula sa stock market.
Pero galing mo na daw, milyones na daw yung
Chismis lang po yun.
humble naman.
Opo, thank you so much.
Saan tayo? Okay. Patay, Aubrey, you're next. What did you learn today?
How to trade.
Ba't kinakabahan ka? Talaga? What's your favorite parameter for technicals?
MACD and support and resistance.
Talaga? Wow, hindi naman siya mahirap, hindi siya mahirap maintindihan. Bakit di siya mahirap maintindihan?
Para sa akin, mas accurate siya. Parang
Oh.
mas madali siyang intindihin.
Talaga. Salamat, I'm glad that you enjoyed. Thank you. Saan tayo? Hapa natin. Oy guys, abangan niyo yung vlog namin ito. Abangan. Oy, saan tayo? Oy. Sorry, naggugulo na lang ako eh. Oy. Idol! Tingnan. Na, 1, 2, 3, go.
Subscribe to Marvin Hermo's channel.
Yes, thank you.
I want to talk at the boomer.
Okay. You're?
Yes, and
Filipino.
Then, and in my school, I'm the class president.
You're the class president? So,
Everyone is noisy, and I have no plan to stop them
because?
because they love being noisy.
Okay. Why do you want to be rich again?
Because so I can have a lot of money.
And what will you do with the money?
What will you do with the money?
Invest.
Where will
And
you invest?
Are you going to
Stock
help?
market.
Are you
Stock
going
market?
to help people?
Yes. Wait, is this the mics?
Yes, it is.
So why is it not going here?
Sige, bye-bye. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye-bye.
Oh, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe to Marvin Hermos.
I have a question. Why are kids not investing?
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know? What's your take on Philippine politics?
Who's the president? No, in Philippines.
I forget.
Lulu Digong?
Yes.
Okay, I have another question. What's more important? Investment, love life, girlfriend?
Both.
Both? Why both?
Because that's correct answer.
Really?
Yes.
So, what makes you happy? In stock market, girlfriend?
Both.
Why?
It's correct answer. No.
Ang galing niya. Oh, magaling. So, magaling, guys. Hoy, John! What did you learn today? What did you learn?
A lot?
A lot talaga?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
MACD, of course.
Okay talaga?
Wala.
Parang nahiya ka, nakalipid ka pa ngayon. Okay lang, thank you. Saan tayo? Picture. Saan? Oh, outside. Oh, sakto. Hoy, what did you learn today?
Oh, lahat po.
Talaga? Oh. Bakit? Talaga? Nakalipid ka ba ngayon?
Wala pong pasok
Ah, walang pasok. Okay.
Okay naman.
Thank you. One thing that you learned.
Yung buy and sell yung timing.
Galing.
Breakout tsaka breakdown.
Galing.
Para hindi
Salamat.
magkamali.
Thank you. What did you learn today?
Moving average,
Talaga?
Monday ko. All the technical analysis.
Okay, salamat.
Salamat.
Salamat. Saan tayo? Okay. Patay, Aubrey, you're next. What did you learn today?
How to trade.
Ba't kinakabahan ka? Talaga? What's your favorite parameter for technicals?
MACD and support and resistance.
Talaga? Wow, hindi naman siya mahirap, hindi siya mahirap maintindihan. Bakit di siya mahirap maintindihan?
Para sa akin, mas accurate siya. Parang
Oh.
mas madali siyang intindihin.
Talaga. Salamat, I'm glad that you enjoyed. Thank you. Okay, what did you learn today?
A lot, sir.
Talaga? What's your favorite technical analysis indicator?
MACD.
Talaga? Bakit? Yung huli pa.
Sobrang
Talaga?
sobrang liga.
Hindi naman siya mahirap maintindihan. Anong course mo nung college?
Sa engineering.
Trabaho?
Supervisor.
Galing. Yaman na rin. Yaman. Talaga? Was it helpful? Okay, thank you. Saan tayo? Apa natin. Oy guys, abangan nyo yung vlog namin ito. Abangan. O, saan tayo? Oy. Sorry, nagugulo na lang ako eh. Oy.
Idol!
Tingnan. Na, 1, 2, 3, go. Saan mo? What did you learn? Number 1.
Tomorrow.
Thank you.
See you. We've learned a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Power!
Thank you so much. Oy,
Thank you so much.
magkano tayo ah. Guys, sobrang yaman ito. Sobra.
Next.
Sobra. Siya yung...
Next time.
Oh, ito pag-asa ko. Okay. Thank you. What did you learn today?
Very helpful.
Talaga?
Technical analysis.
So, confident na mag-trade.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sa tayo picture.
O, game. Sure.
Pwede ba akong magpapirma ng buka kahit binili ko sa
Ah,
Philippines?
sige, game.
Daling ko bukas ha.
Sige. See you.
Sir, nakita po.
Ako na lang magtatanong. Sige. How old are you, Janlyn?
I'm 22 years
22.
old.
Millennial.
Yes po. I'm really interested po.
How long have you been
How-
working?
Stocks, 2 years and a half.
2 years and a half. Okay. Sa 2 years na yun, kumusta? Savings natin? Napapasave ba tayo or puro YOLO yung
Wala,
nangyayari?
sir.
Talaga? Bakit? Anong problem?
Sir, hindi ko po ma-manage ng tama.
Yung? Because?
Bills.
Bills, are you a breadwinner or hindi naman masyado? Solo mo yung pera mo?
Minsan solo, sir. Minsan
Ano yung sabihin? Paano minsan?
Pag need ng money, sir.
Pero yung parents mo working, not working?
Working po yung dad.
Okay. Tapos, what's the problem? Bakit di rin sila nakaka-save or ikaw yung nagsasalba pag ano?
Minsan po, sir, kapag may priority po sila.
Okay.
Akin po yung bills.
Only child?
Hindi po.
Ilan kayo? Youngest?
Dalawa.
Eldest?
Elder. Dalawa
Okay.
lang.
So, nag-aaral pa?
Yes po.
Okay.
Senior high.
Galing. Tapos, what's happening na?
Saan po?
Saan? Bigla ka naiya kanina, hindi ka naman ganyan. Hindi ka naman gano'n kanina.
Saan po, sir? Kailan niyo po naisip mag-start ng mag-stock?
Actually, hindi ko to plinano. I was investing in mutual funds. I was investing in other investments. Tapos yung mutual funds, araw-araw ko siya binabantayan. And then sabi ko, since araw-araw ko to binabantayan, why not try investing in the stock market? Doon lang siya nag-start. I stumbled into it lang. It was something na I never imagined that I would do. Kung tinanong mo ako 10 years ago kung anong gagawin ko, hindi ko siya plinano. So it was something that I stumbled into lang. Yun.
May nag-recommend po ba sa inyo?
Wala naman. Ano lang. Sabi totoo. Pangarap ko lang yumaman nung nag-start
Same,
ako.
sir.
Oh, yun lang yung para pinaka ko nun. Gusto ko lang kumita. Yun. And then that's why I did business. That's why I did investing. Tapos ginawa ko siya ng sabay. Tapos kaya simple lang yung I guess lifestyle ko dati. Especially nung nagsisimula. Kasi dati lahat ng mga office mates ko nung nagtatrabaho pa ako, sa Starbucks ako, uminom ako ng Nescafe sa office, kakain sila sa labas, kinakain ko yung pancit canton ko sa naka-store doon. Totoo, for ilan years na ganun, nagtitipid ako para yung perang naipon ko, yung pinang-invest ko, yung pinang-business ko. Tapos, ngayon na medyo umakyat na siya, doon ako nag-enjoy.
How much po yung in-invest niyo nung at first?
Saan? Sa pinakauna kong investment?
Yes po.
I can't remember, pero alam ko, may ganito ginagawa ko, may siniset aside ako ng pera for savings, pero since may mga extra side income ako, ginagawa ko doon, 70% ng kinikita ko doon sa extra na yun, in-invest ko siya. So, every time na may extra ako, hindi ko siya ginagastos, hindi ko siya ini-enjoy. Invest lang ako ng invest doon. Oo. Ganun lang. Yun lang yung ginawa ko, tapos paulit-ulit lang.
Paano niyo po siya nalaman, sir? Paano? Siyempre, hindi naman po lahat aware po kung ano po yung stocks, gano'n.
most of the things na ginagawa ko, yung natutunan ko na through experience. I really encourage people that the best way to
Right.
learn also is to, syempre, they learn the right principles. Pero pag alam na nila yung right principles, that's when they have to really practice. Kasi if they don't practice, makakalimutan nila lahat to. Doon na ako natuto. That's it?
Yes po.
Okay,
Thank
si
you.
Janlyn talaga okay.
Thank you po.
Salamat, Janlyn.
Galing, thank you so much.
Salamat din.
Sobrang inspiring yung yung share ninyo kanina.
Ganun ba?
Especially sa amin na nagsisimula sa stock market.
Tsaka, pero galing mo na daw, milyones na daw yung
Chismis lang po yun.
business ba? Humble naman.
Opo, thank you so much. Nakikita ko po yung stories ninyo sa IG. Kung saan kayo nakakarating, sabi ko may pagka-Dora din pala to, si Sir Marvin.
Yung wife ko may hindi mag-travel eh.
Oo, hindi yung mga speaking engagements nyo.
Pati yun.
Sa Dubai, sa SG.
So, matagal na lang nagpa-follow mo na?
Hindi po, ito lang.
Since
Since ABC lang, binalikan ko lang. Sabi ko, ang dami yung friends sa Marvin, sabi ko, gusto ko yung mga latag niya. In fairness, kanina po, buti na abutan ko kayo. Sabi ko, kailangan maabutan ko yung stock market. Maabot kasi naipit kami sa Cubao eh. Opo, so buti na lang po nung magsimula ninyo, nakarating na kami.
Salamat Thank you din. Thank you for everything.
Oh, thank you din po sa mga
Oo naman, Sante. First time, every year daw, first time daw.
Opo. Buti nga po may na-invite na about stock market eh.
Popular
Kasi po
na lang.
nag-ano po, yes, sobra. Nag-ano na po ako, nag-start na po ako sa COE.
Okay.
Pero, nagbenta po ko ng shares.
Bakit?
Oo, pero, kasi parang na-mismanage ko yung or wala rin nag-guide din talaga sa amin. Kasi sumabot lang ako doon, parang nag-try lang po ako. Tapos sabi ko, pero meron pa po akong tinira, which is yung Meralco. So ngayon, parang gusto ko siya balikan ulit.
Oo, balikan mo.
Ulit.
Tapos
Kasi na-invest
invest
na
na.
kanina, na-inspire ako kanina, sabi ko babalikan ko yun.
Invest lang. Kahit bumaba siya, okay lang. Basta kumikita ka ng malaki dito, bili ka lang ng bili lagi.
Okay. So yes, buti na lang po meron kayong books.
Salamat.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Time.
din.
Thank you.
Thank you din. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Stephanie and this is Mr. Marvin Germo. So, mag-share siya sa atin ng konting tips on how to invest yung ating income sa Sante. Sir, so
What do you want to learn? What
na
about?
konting tips namin, sir, kung paano namin ma-treasure yung aming earnings dito sa Sante.
Kunyari, personal sa'yo, paano ka nagsisave?
Sa bank lang po, sir.
O di yun, ako gagawin ko goal-based eh. So, kung ano yung kailangan ko, kunyari, nag-iipon ako for retirement, kailangan ko malaman muna magkano yung kailangan ko for retirement. Kung 10 million yun, saka ako maglalagay ng goal, I need 10 million, tapos I'll start saving and investing for that. So, ibig sabihin nun, pag masyadong malaking kailangan ipunin, you need to allocate more every time na may kita ka. So, the technique is habang bata, habang malakas, you save and invest as much as you can. Tapos pag nakuha nyo na yung goal nyo, lahat ng sobra, di-enjoy nyo na lahat. Ganun lang. Ganun lang. You put as much as you can while you're young, while you're at the prime of your years. And then when that starts earning for you, that's when you start enjoying that. Yung na-share ko lang ng mga travels sa mga yun, it happened mga 7 years, 8 years after na, before I did other things. Pero unang 7 years, tipid lang din.
Tama.
Naka-business, tsaka invest.
Pag nakakipon na.
Yung I think problem for a lot of people, hindi naka-record, joke lang. Hindi, joke lang. yung problem for a lot of people is, especially sa inyo pag kumikita ng malaki, you think it will last forever na napapalaki yung gastos. Di ba? Yung parang,
Yung lifestyle.
Okay lang, kasi kikita na naman ako ng ganun eh. And what they don't know is, pwedeng mawala rin eh. Something can happen na pwedeng mag-change din yung mga nangyayari. So, ayun, you always have to think that it won't last forever. Na kailangan nyo mag-prepare na what if it doesn't. Pero if it lasts forever, di okay. May extra pa kayong investment.
Tama.
Ganun lang. Pero mayaman
Thank
to guys.
you, sir.
Guys, sobrang yaman. Sobrang yaman. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Super, sir. Salamat din.
What did you learn today?
Madami.
Tulad ng...
Tulad ng, alam ko na ngayon kung paano ma-determine kung magbabuy ka at saka kung ano ba.
Patay, bakit? Wala ka naintindihan? Wala ka naintindihan?
Hindi ako ready.
Okay lang, maganda nga to eh. Maganda yung kinakabahan ka eh. Lumayo lahat. Lumayo lahat.
Wala na.
Hindi, picture, di ba?
O, picture. Saka ayaw na nilang pumunta sa harap.
Hindi, wala. Wala kami video. No,
Facing to sa... Wala na. Okay na dito.
so tayo, okay. Let's do this.